Hello Guardians, hope you're all well. I'm out for a nice little stroll in my local woodland up at Gatton Park, and the bluebells are still fully in bloom. If anything, with the rain, they've really brought them out beautifully now. And the best part about being about today is there's nobody about. All the kids are at school, there's no families about, it's just me in the woods on a swing. This is what it's all about. Nobody about, peace and quiet, having my own little bit of fun, being a big kid. Love it. This is what life's all about. Just chilling. Nice little positive video for you. Out in the woodlands, enjoying nature. It's swinging.